Today we will be dealing with the next FAQ, and this is about the basic book that people read, which is Haralambus. You would have come across two names. First one is the blue Haralambus and second one is the orange Haralambus. Most of the time the aspirants are confused about the book which they should follow. Now the blue book is an updated version. It has examples from the current affairs. It is much thicker and includes many new thinkers. The orange book, on the other hand, is not updated. It is an old edition, therefore it does not include any examples from current affairs, because of which it is much thinner. It also has less number of thinkers. Seeing the latest pattern, I would suggest that please go with the blue book. The chapters that you need to read are sociological theory. Next one is methodology. Then power, politics and the state, families, households and personal life, religion, crime and deviance, sex and gender, stratification, class and inequality. So you will have to read most of the chapters from the blue book. This is the 8th edition of the book. You can buy it from the market, either the original version or the Xeroxed version, and you may also find the older editions online. So I am going to repeat the chapters that you have to do from the blue book. This is sociological theory, methodology, power, politics and the state, families, households and personal life, religion, crime and deviance, sex and gender, stratification, class and inequality. Now there are two more chapters which have not been included in this book. Those are work and economic life, and second one is organizations and bureaucracy. You will find those two chapters in the orange book, work and leisure and organizations and bureaucracy. Therefore, from the orange book you have to do two chapters, and this will complete the reading from Haralambus. Now, questions have also been asked from education as well as poverty. Now, these are not directly mentioned in the syllabus, but these are the pillars of sociology. Why? Because education plays a very important role in transmitting of culture, transmitting of values. It also plays a very important role in the development of nation, of an economy. And what happens when people are not educated, when people are not employed? Poverty is a result. Therefore, these two chapters or topics are also important, but they have not been mentioned in the topic of the syllabus directly. Therefore, what you can do is, from these chapters from the blue book, you can read the chapter on education and the chapter on poverty, social exclusion and welfare state. These two chapters will give you an edge over others. Therefore, I would suggest that please go through these chapters once you have covered the basic syllabus of the paper. So in conclusion, what I can say is that you will have to go with a combinational approach. From the blue book, you will be doing most of the chapters along with education and poverty, but from the orange book you will be doing two chapters, work and economic life and organizations. So please make a note of all these chapters and read them. You might find it difficult or you might find it boring, but give it a try and you will surely grasp all the concepts and you will be able to understand and gain a much deeper understanding of the chapters. If you have any further query, you can drop us a message at Brainstorming Sociology and we will try our best to solve all your doubts. All the best and happy learning.